Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to learn about how to change small letters to capital letters. So when we are typing by mistake, we have typed all the content in small letters or maybe even in capital letters. Okay, so after completing our content only, we may be noticing that we have typed all the content in capital letters or small letters, which has to be typed in a sentence case either way. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you how to convert the small letters. If you see the content, if you check the content, the entire text is in small letters. Now I will show you how to change it in capital letters and even in sentence case. Okay, so for that, first select the data. Okay, after selecting, go to home tab. Okay, under home tab you have font group. So under font group you have change case option. So when you click on change case option, you get five types of options. Okay, so now I'll show you how this works one by one. So first I'm clicking on sentence case. So the first letter of every sentence has become in capital letter. Okay, so here what, and then C of this sentence and C of this sentence. Okay, now I'm selecting the statement once again, going here and then select lowercase. Now entire text is in small letter. Okay, next we have uppercase. So all the text has been converted into capital letters. Fine, and then going here again and select capitalize each word. Mostly we'll use this for title. Okay, I can even do this for capitalize each word so that my title will look good. Okay, so I'm selecting the content again, and the last option is toggle case. Toggle case will give you the capital letters to small letters and small letters to capital letters. So the first letters, whichever was there in a small letter, has been changed into capital. Okay, and then the capital letters has been changed into small letters. Okay, so these are all the ways you have in Microsoft Word to change it automatically. You no need to erase the entire the content, you no need to retype it. Just by clicking on change case button, you will be able to get it. Okay, hope you understand it. We'll see you in other video. Thank you. Happy learning.